Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wizz app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Wizz and you will click here. In this page of app on phone you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. And you will go to Play Store. You will search about Wizz app. And then you will update your app if you find updates here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.